129 species in genus Erythrina. Erythrina, a world of coral trees. My name is Ferb Vu, and I've always been fascinated by the vibrant world of flora. Today, I want to share my admiration for a particular genus of flowering plants that has captured my attention, Erythrina, more commonly known as coral trees. These striking plants, belonging to the Fabaceae family, legumes, boast a captivating display of red, orange, and sometimes even yellow blossoms, often resembling the shape of coral. A global tapestry of coral trees. Erythrina is a diverse genus, encompassing roughly 129 species that are spread across the tropical and subtropical regions of the globe. From the Americas to Africa, Asia, and Australia, these resilient trees thrive in a variety of habitats, adding a splash of color to landscapes. A closer look at Erythrina species. The diversity within the Erythrina genus is truly remarkable. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Why I admire Erythrina. My fascination with Erythrina stems from several factors. First and foremost, their aesthetic appeal is undeniable. The vibrant hues of their flowers, often contrasted against a backdrop of lush green foliage, create a visual spectacle that is hard to ignore. Moreover, the unique shape of the flowers, resembling coxcombs or coral formations, adds to their allure. Beyond their beauty, I am also drawn to the ecological significance of Erythrina. These trees play a vital role in their respective ecosystems. Their flowers attract a variety of pollinators, including bees, birds, and butterflies, contributing to biodiversity. Additionally, some species serve as valuable shade trees for coffee and cocoa plantations. Finally, I am intrigued by the cultural importance of Erythrina in various societies. In some cultures, these trees are considered sacred or are associated with folklore and traditions. Their use in traditional medicine also highlights their historical significance. The resilience of Erythrina. Erythrina trees are not just beautiful, they are also remarkably resilient. Many species can withstand harsh conditions, including drought and poor soil. This adaptability makes them valuable assets in ecological restoration efforts and sustainable landscaping. Looking ahead, as an admirer of Erythrina, I believe it is crucial to promote their conservation and sustainable use. By understanding their ecological importance and cultural significance, we can ensure that these magnificent trees continue to thrive for generations to come. I encourage everyone to take a moment to appreciate the beauty and resilience of Erythrina. Whether you encounter them in a botanical garden, a local park, or in their natural habitat, these coral trees are sure to leave a lasting impression.